Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Joomla page builder templates for responsive design, beginner guides. To begin updating Joomla page builder templates for responsive design, open your Joomla dashboard. Navigate to the extensions menu and select manage to access your installed extensions. In the search bar, type the name of the page builder you are using. Once located, click on the page builder to open its settings. Check for any available updates by looking for an update tab or option. If an update is available, click the update button to install it. After the update is complete, navigate to the templates menu and select styles. Choose the template you want to modify for responsive design. To start editing, click on the template name to access its configuration options. Look for the settings related to responsive design or layout options. Modify the built-in settings to ensure that content adapts to different screen sizes. If your page builder allows custom CSS, you can add responsive styles here. Use media queries to specify different styling for various screen sizes. Test the changes by previewing the website on different devices or using browser developer tools. Make sure to save your changes before exiting the template settings. Next, check any content created with your page builder to ensure it displays correctly on all devices. Adjust padding, margins, and font sizes as needed for optimal readability. Finally, clear your Joomla cache to see the changes reflected on the live site. This process will help ensure your Joomla page builder templates are effective for responsive design. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.